Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the latest release from Garuda Linux, codenamed Broadwing. This update is packed with fresh features, a brand new edition, and some neat enhancements that further streamline the user experience. Garuda Linux Broadwing is the newest snapshot of this Arch-based distribution, and it's designed to offer both power and beauty in a user-centric desktop environment. The update is powered by the Linux 6.13 kernel, ensuring you get the latest performance improvements and hardware support. One of the standout features in this release is the introduction of Garuda Rani, a new welcome app that's more than just an onboarding tool. Officially known as the reliable assistant for native installations, Garuda Rani combines the functionality of the old Welcome, Gamer and Assistant apps. This unified approach makes it easier than ever for newcomers to set up and navigate their system, while still offering useful tools for seasoned users. Another exciting addition is the all-new Garuda Mokka edition. This edition features a stunning Catppuccin-themed KDE Plasma desktop, providing a fresh, cohesive look that's both elegant and inviting. Whether you are a long-time fan of KDE or new to the desktop environment, Mokka aims to deliver a unique visual experience without compromising on performance. But that's not all. Broadwing also brings important updates to several other editions. Dragonized Edition now integrated with the panel colorizer, letting you personalize your desktop appearance to suit your style. Hyprland Edition comes with an updated screenshot tool that uses gum integration for a smoother, more intuitive capture experience, plus special workspaces and secondary support for X11 to enhance compatibility. i3 Edition receives improved aesthetics with font awesome support, better CPU temperature monitoring, refined font sizes, and updated notification settings. And finally, Sway Edition enjoys a refreshed user interface with a new greeter, updated lock screen, and a revamped waybar. These enhancements mean that regardless of which edition you choose, be it Dragonized, GNOME, Cinnamon, XFCE, i3, Sway, or Hyprland, there is something new for everyone in Broadwing. Overall, Garuda Linux Broadwing underlines the distribution's commitment to merging performance with a visually engaging and user-friendly design. Whether you are upgrading an existing installation or trying Garuda Linux for the first time, this release brings a host of improvements that are worth exploring. If you'd like to learn more or download the latest snapshot, check out the official Garuda Linux website. And as always, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about these new changes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video. Peace out.